Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on Kraken with Kraken Pro. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on the main homepage of Kraken. Now to buy any crypto, simply click on the buy crypto section on the bottom right. And then from here it's going to show you all the options that you can buy instantly. So for example, if you choose something such as Solana, then you simply click on it. And then from here, it's going to show you that you can add whatever amount. So for example, 50 euros worth of Solana. And then you can click on the bottom right section here where it shows you to pay with whatever you want. So for example, either Google Pay or you can add a card. And then from here, it shows you that you can add your card information and your CVV. And then once you do that, you're going to click on add card. And then once that is done, you're going to click on continue. And then from here, it's going to show you the summary of all the information for this transaction. And there is a box under that says, I understand that I won't be able to withdraw this purchase for 72 hours. So you're going to have to keep that cryptocurrency that you buy for at least 3 days before you can withdraw it to your bank account. Now, for the withdrawing and to sell it, all you have to do is go back to the home screen. And then from here, you're going to click on Crack, which is going to be on the bottom right. This is going to be their separate application that is connected to this application's account where you can manage and sell all your crypto easily. So you're going to click on it and it's going to transfer you to the application. And then from here, you're going to show you the main page and the total balance and all the other information that you need for your account. So simply from here, you're going to click on the plus sign in the bottom middle. And then from here, you're going to click on sell. Once you do that, you're going to choose whatever cryptocurrency you have that you would like to sell. So for example, for me, I'm going to select this one. And then from here, you're going to select however much you would like to sell. So for example, I'm going to sell 1.15. And then from here, you're going to click on next. And now from here, you're going to show you that it's going to take some fees and that you get this amount. Click on confirm. And there you go. It says that it's successful. And within minutes, then it's going to transfer directly and it's going to click on here. And as you can see, it's going to send it from Vine to USD dollar. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.